Our class is making you stressed and sad? Then hurry up and check out our stress school supplies. Massaging marker, pencil sharpening donut, and ice cream pen will help you overcome any stressful situation. Dolly is not herself in art class today. Pencils are being broken and stress is building. Next thing you know, she's on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Relax! Cindy has a cute donut that will help both Dolly and her broken pencils. Cut out a donut out of a sponge. Make a rectangular hole at the side and stick a pencil sharpener into it. Cut glaze out of a foam rubber sheet and hot glue it onto the sponge. Cut thin foam rubber sheet strips into sprinkles. Decorate the glaze. Dolly doesn't understand what she would need a sponge donut for. Does her friend actually want her to take a cold shower in order to get rid of stress? But the truth is way simpler. There's a pencil sharpener hidden inside the squishy donut. Both Dolly and her hands calm down while she sharpens her pencils. Our teacher is outraged. Cindy faces the music over her mistakes on the test. We need to calm Miss Smith down immediately, and I know the way to do it with my massaging felt tip pen. Make 2 holes in a ping pong ball using an awl. Stick wire inside. Bend and twist the ends together. Heat an awl and make a hole in a marker. Insert the wire with the ball attached. Fasten it with hot glue. Cover the ball with dots of hot glue. This tiny massaging device relaxes the teacher's tense back at once. It's so good! A relaxing break in the middle of a hard school week. Miss Smith cheers up right away. The students' mistakes do not seem to be that bad now. A happy teacher is the key to success in studying. Cindy finds a mysterious object on the desk. What is it? Paper clips, crayons, or an eraser? It's some kind of a school supplies hybrid. But Dolly calms her friend down. It's just a game. You just need a magnet to make the paper clips come to life. Hot glue a magnet to a marker cap. Fill a jar with metallic paper clips. Trace the jar on an eraser. Cut it out and hot glue it to the bottom. Cut an empty tea light container and wrap it to make a cone. Fasten it with hot glue. Slice crayons and melt and pour them into the cone. Put the jar cap into the melted wax and wait for the crayons to harden. Take off the cone and shape it using a knife. Now you can move paper clips inside the jar with a magnet. Cindy figures out how this paperclip game works. She is mesmerized by the laws of physics. Magnetic field in action. And in addition to this, you can play tic-tac-toe with a crayon and marker. This jar is full of peace and fun. Our Miss Smith is sad for some reason. She has a post-vacation depression. I can't check these stupid students' notebooks for much longer. The teacher wants to be on a warm tropical beach. We need to cheer her up right now. I've got an idea. A bright and fun globe will help to liven our tired Miss Smith up. Take a small globe. Cover the seas and oceans on it with blue acrylic paint. Attach light clay to all the continents. Use different colors and form different kinds of shapes. Let the clay harden for 5 minutes. We sneak the bright globe onto our teacher's table while she sees palm trees and coconuts in her dreams. Poor teacher! These spelling mistakes can tire anybody out. Miss Smith sees the bright globe once she wakes up. It's so cute! The teacher brightens up right away. She's already planning where she'll spend her next vacation. Dolly is making her next masterpiece. but a mysterious vial turns out to be in her case. And there are gel balls inside of it. And how